Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa searching and any day the kind of day ehwe me a mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification any sa ne news e de beto me we benye bi atie anase we benye bi ahwe wo GCN page ha ora Koku Anyidoho former deputy general secretary de ma NDC amayoku no na ora Koku Anyidoho ye name say oye well known wo NDC amayoku no mo ye ka omo asom party na che omo di akoten wo NDC party ni mu a ye ntumi yi eye ora Koku Anyidoho emfim na ende wa kana dwen de akere ora Asiedu Nketia wajiga akeka na dwen de akere ora Asiedu Nketia ono so general secretary de ma NDC amayoku no ono so ye ka omo asom party na cha ora Asiedu Nketia so ye ntumi yi ni mfim ura Koku Anyidoho aka na adwen ache ne papa na adwen kire ni nyina ne se ura Koku Anyidoho e kire se bio ura Asiedu Nketia obi be se oyale ura Koku e kire se ura Asiedu Nketia jare papa oso oyale na ontumi nsake ono ura Koku Anyidoho emfi NDC party ni wonde anase ochina na Asiedu Nketia no gina he ni fie ne he ote he oba ha baye den obeyi na fi party ni mu ontumi ora Koku Anyidoho e kire se bembe bi ani party ni obetumi eyi na fi party ni mu uyi na fi mi se wa ye den party bi mu betu ni mu ono so betu ebi mu ngom wa asome party ni bi mu so asom we na we ndc fo obi etumi kanadwen na kire se ye to akwantu ni so nti ora Koku Anyidoho e kire se wa kanadwen a kire NDC party no mo ya ade na enye na wa ka ene nkire se mbetumi ayi na fi party ni mu na titiru pa ene eye ora Asiedu Nketia sebio oyale pa na ora Koku Anyidoho e de ensemwe etudwa wo OKFM wo abra omo eye no interview na omo bisa no ensema ekoso wo NDC party ni mu ne no e na ora Koku Anyidoho e kan nasem na ensem kan ni mu e na o kire se ora Asiedu Nketia sebio oyale na de ntia ora Koku Anyidoho e kire se ora Asiedu Nketia ntumi mpam ni mfi NDC party ni mu nyina ene se na nse enche na yeda sorry ya ene radio so TV so social media baby ebu say eye former central regional chairman ora Alote Jacobs ora Alote Jacob na ora Koku Anyidoho ene chese enyansem keto akra omo abo his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na ba so say Nana Addo ayade oye good president chese enema Nana Addo etoto wo Ghana ha no me no se ye de Nana Addo etoto obi ne ho a chese enyenye kura because Nana Addo ebeye president akwanya osimi na mini free SHS osimi na mini one district one factory osimi na mini chese niema Nana Addo ye no enya asem keto akra na ensem we beto odwa no eyade a eha NDC amayoku ni yie papa ene ebeye ensem bebre ebeye dedwa trending obi aka ho asem na edidimu ensem ni mu a no mode letter eba abonten se ne ora Koku Anyidoho ena eye ora Alote Jacob omo pe ba bi mfa Alote Jacob omo pe ba bi mfo because mu ntumi se mo wo party ni mu na nda mo akwatena radio so na se mo bo NDC achi na mo kebi me NPP ene na ase kire se o NDC fo mo bufu omo dwai na ena ende ora Koku Anyidoho kasa oka ena ensema ekoso NDC amayoku ni mu omo election omo ba beye de opese onu obi gina na otu no ene ensem bebre na eno bi so ora Koku Anyidoho wo kire se ora Asiedu Nketia na nkasa no ona nkasa me se bibi jiji no on the party no ntumi ntuni mfim na ono ora Asiedu Nketia ne ko yo ni breni kire se what na party ni mu di boni bebre aye niam ensem fata wo mpese obekọ no bi atu ora Koku Anyidoho wo kire se ono no ejina se wo to won shaba ora Asiedu Nketia ne bufu one ne ye na ade no kra ka ho na ensem a ebeto odwa wo social media omu gigina mu chinchan se wo sake ora Koku Anyidoho afi NDC party ne nei ene ora Koku Anyidoho chese party de obi na obetumi asake na afim ende anasa ochina na yenti ensem a ora Koku Anyidoho de etudwa
but enne omo person mo ti party me boss the role is when jaya hwe kra ne baba yes ne baba ma o ne baba medical doctor a member of parliament on the ticket of the National Democratic Congress, Dr. and Senator Ajimai Rollins. Omo ene, omo somo ya jimai. Omo ti NDC na boso. Omo manu mo hin. Where are their children? To keep the legacy of the NDC alive. Omo din ene, esano mo kwa, they don't care. When people like Koku Anyidoho are fighting to restore the integrity of the NDC, yen Canada pa, yen kase ya pambo, oh pamwai. Who are saying Nketia to have Koku Anyidoho free NDC? Obi beka na samtema we yale. You know, so these are the people. I said Nketia ni manu mo hin. And then when the general secretary also Uriatra, who the general secretary 20 years. Okay? I cannot generalize it. Say all leaders, because leaders, but I believe that there must be a lot of commitment. A lot of commitment. Martina cabinet for 4 years, President Mills Adaroma, I sat in cabinet. Master, Obiani the Odeba cabinet meeting. Now when you leader, I'll bet me a share Obia I can't and say, hey, as for this one, we won't go there. Hey, this one won't go there, master. So, in terms of leadership, if you ask me to answer your question, we can do more. We can do more. We can do more. We can do more. If we want to do more, we can do more. We can do more. But we should not disappoint the youth. If we disappoint them, they'll come and ask us questions one day. And I believe that that is where we are going, building a critical mass of new generational thinkers. Master, now no BBC or Ashanti region, baby. Let me say last year or so, and I said, yeah, I see MPB SWA and Moni Citre, so they come a man for be a mopamo body to a mopamo. The matter ya browne, a Moni, a Citre, a public like you. So the kind of empowerment that we are trying to give the youth, my brother, now is that a bedroom bed, the youth will be so empowered. Say, who politician? You cannot go and mislead the youth again. At least do one of the say there, Yakopo issue for no, no, Baku Kofa, wrong road. And there are Benya Mebunibia, almost the Sebi. Almost the wrong road, no man as Jesus are Yakopo in Womobo. But when we begin to empower the youth, the bedroom bed, you politician. Nobody will even listen to you. Because the people are so empowered themselves mentally. That who crowd through say, because so that is what we are getting to. Power to the people. And for me, I will never forget Rebel, all is about say power to the people. Ghana people, make you stand up, make you fight for your rights. We don't go sit down, make them sit us every day. We have gotten to that point. Not that we are getting to that point.